Hi, I'm Eden.
And I'm Sam.
And we're the Cell Gurus. Right there we have a wild mitochondria. Now, they're very quiet. They're easily spooked. But the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Makes the energy. They're feisty suckers. So stand back a little bit. This right here is a wild endoplastic reticulum. He seems to be sleeping, so we need to be very quiet not to wake him up. This here creature, this here organelle, is responsible for assembling many of the proteins within the cell. It's found near the nucleus, which is, yet again, one of our main targets. So the ribosome right back here. What this wonderful organelle does is it takes the code of RNA that is coded from DNA from the nucleus. Now, this creates proteins out of these codes. It's truly magnificent. Now here we have the Golgi apparatus. Now the Golgi apparatus has the important job of packaging and transporting proteins and lipids. Kind of reminds me of the UPS system. Now if you listen closely, you can hear it sound. Ain't that wonderful? This here is chloroplast. And what this thing does is it takes energy from the sun, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and water from the ground to produce glucose for the mitochondria to use. Now, after all this process happens, then it respirates, creates oxygen for us humans to breathe. And that's how we live. Listen closely. You can hear it make this beautiful sound. It's so serene. Now this right here is the cell wall. Now this is the outer layer of protection for a plant cell. Listen. You'll hear. Now nestled up in this fine area is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, which means it controls the movement of certain ions and organic molecules in and out of the cell. Now listen real close, just like the others. Listen to it sing. It's like a prisoner on his last days. Truly majestic. Now in here, we have another one of our targets. The central vacuole of a plant cell. Now this central vacuole of a plant cell is a membrane-bound structure. Now this membrane-bound structure houses water and other organic and inorganic molecules for the support of the plant cell. Now join me in listening to the wondrous sounds of the central vacuole. For 5 long days, we finally spotted the nucleus. It hasn't invaded us. It's for 5 long days. We couldn't find it at all.
You walked away. You were a clock that was ticking in my home. Changed my state of mind.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So hard to find.
we got him.
Your people changed like weather.
Now the nucleus houses most of the cell's genetic material in DNA. See, the DNA is code for the cell to build proteins in the ribosome, which we talked about earlier. Come get a closer look. What a view.
That was really all magnificent, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. You hear that? I do. It's happening.